Hi folks, today I'd like to talk to you about bookmark bars. Well, the end of the calendar year is the most wonderful time of year. It's also the busiest as we approach the end of the semester. So I want to share with you a few of my organization hacks that can really save you some time. First, let's start with extensions. You might look in your upper right-hand corner and realize that you've accumulated a lot of extensions. One way to save time is to reorganize your extensions by frequency of use. So for example, Awesome Screenshot is an extension I use every single day. So I'm going to want to make sure that that is featured on my bar here. If there is an extension that I don't use as often anymore, I can click right here and I can see all of my past extensions and I can move them in and out as needed. Also, I can adjust the size and length of my web browser here as well as my extensions, so I can drag them up and down as needed. Now I want to take a look at my actual bookmarks. As you can see here, I have a few of the bookmarks that I use with great frequency, especially Google Drive is bookmarked, so I can go straight to Drive. I can also go straight to my email. If there's a particular web page, a resource, or even a Google Doc or a Google Drive item that I want to bookmark, I can go straight to that page and then I'm going to click the star up here. Once I click the star, it'll give me the option to organize my bookmarks. I can rename it so that it's shorter, so that I have more space on my bookmark bar. And when I'm done, I can press done and it'll appear. I can also rearrange and drag it so that it is in an order that is effective for me. At any time, I can right click on the actual bookmark and then I can rename it, so I can edit it. I can also organize and move it into a different location, and I can delete it at any time too. So I have all of these options to utilize different resources that are effective for me. One thing I like to do is if I know I have a couple of resources that I'm going to be presenting to students, I'll add it to my bookmark bar here so that I can quickly toggle through those different resources during a lesson. And then as soon as I'm done, I can delete it off of my bookmark bar. I also have a pretty extensive folders here with links and different folders and resources of different tech tools that I use or different CG links that I use. Not frequently enough to have it on my permanent bookmark bar, but definitely things that I want to have access to. So I can add as many bookmarks as I want. So I'm gonna change the folder that I have this bookmarks in. I could, again, put it in my links folder, and then I would hit done, and now you can see it disappeared off of my actual bookmark bar and it is in that particular folder all the way at the bottom. I can put it in a folder within a folder if I wanted to as well. So there are all sorts of options. Take your time when organizing your bookmark bar, because a couple of seconds here or there every single day can really add up to save time and also to help you keep organized. If you're looking for more ways to get organized with Google, feel free to stop by. I'm happy to walk you through anything with bookmark bars, extensions, and any other way that you can organize your Google Drive as we approach the end of the semester.